Streamlined Backshop Services presents a brief demonstration of a custom-made sound car. The car is an Atlas 40-foot wood reefer and features a Tsunami TSU-750 sound decoder with the heavy steam sound file. We've got the sound level meter out again today at 10 foot. We're reading about 40 decibel on the steam chuff, and as is typical with most cars, we're reading about 50 on the whistle and the bell at 10 foot. At about a foot from the meter, we're reading 50 plus decibel on the chuff and almost 70 decibel on the whistle and the bell.